For giving me so much love in my whole campaign while I was there, and then for voting for me in the manner that they have. It's a testament to the fact that my brother worked hard there, and their love for him and their trust in me. So I feel it's a great honor, and I will respect it fully.
You expect this much majority, ma'am? Huge majority.
I just was happy getting the love of the people.
You are elected. What is your next plan, ma'am? So when you are going to get
Now soon, in the next 2-3 days, as soon as my brother.
So any road show?
Let's see what the plan is.
Okay, thank you.
कितना लगा छोटा है पूरा ना